What's up guys, DaPharoah here, back to you with another Pokemon opening. I was able to obtain some loose blister packs of the battle styles from my local Walmart. I think I have about 11. I have a couple more, but I figured this would be enough for the video. I'm still on the hunt for that Tyranitar. I allowed someone to get an Elite Trainer box from me, and they actually pulled the Tyranitar. So that just incentivized me to get even more packs and try to go hunting for this thing. So if you enjoy this type of content, feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And without further ado, let's get these guys opened. All right, now that we've got them all open, let's give them a little shuffle here. Like I said, I just really took the last packs that were on the shelves. Literally, I mean, you know, so many people say that this set isn't that good, and it's kind of like a fill-in set, like a Rebel Clash or a Darkness Ablaze or something like that, but you couldn't tell it by the way people are buying it left and right in my local area. All right, let's get started with Grass Energy, Fearow, Escape Rope, Grumpig, Shinx, Cacnea, Ponyard, Timber, Glameow, Glysaur Reverse Hollow, and Galarian Mr. Rime. Glysaur is one of my favorite mons as well. Really like his poison heal ability. I really feel like we don't have that enough in the Sword and Shield for the Nintendo Switch. Water Energy, Dottler, Doublade, Pignite, Silicobra, Houndour, Scatterbug, Honedge, Glysaur, Heatmore, and Reverse Hollow Bronzog. I'm sorry, Reverse Hollow Heatmore and Hollow Bronzog. I'm going to remember that. All right, next pack. And Darkness Energy, Pignite, Scroll of Swirls, Bouffalant, Roly-Poly, Chimeo, Onix, Sizzlipede, Glameow, Reverse Hollow Roly-Poly, and a Primeape. He just looks so lonely in the cave. All right. Alright, and Fire Energy, Korea's Focus, Perugly, Honchkrow, Shinx, Blipbug, Ponyard, Mankey, Sizzlipede, Reverse Hollow Bronzor, and a Phalanx. Alright. Come on, Tyranitar. I can feel it. I can feel the Suedo Legendary. And Psychic Energy. Golder. Cactur. Level Ball. Cherubi. Lickitung. Electabuzz. Espurr. Timber. Reverse Hollow. And a Mimikyu V. Oh, that's pretty sweet. All right. Decent pack overall. All right, let's get him sleeved up there. All right, next pack. All right, and Fighting Energy, Rapid Strike Energy, Phoebe, Heatmore, Galarian Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, Onix, Spearow, Sizzlipede, Level Ball, Reverse Hollow, and an Entei. Looking pretty hot there, Entei. Gen 2, man. And I promise I won't drop this Entei. All right. Oh, it's 2 packs. Water Energy, Luxio, Durant, Perugly, Blipbug, Ponyard, Mankey, Sizzlipede, Baltoy, Reverse Holo Remoraid, and a back-to-back Entei. All right, Gen 2 coming through. All right, next pack. And Electric Energy, Indeedee, Phoebe, Carnivine, Glameow, Silicobra, Frillish, Houndour, Scatterbug, Vivillon, and Licky Licky. All right. And Water Energy, Carkol, Dottler, Pignite, Silicobra, Houndour, Lickitung, Horsey, Mankey, Reverse Holo Zubat. Oh wow, that's sweet. And a Trampa. All right. And Water Energy, Sword of Shilbert, Crawdaunt, Doublade, Fomantis, Remoraid, Cubone, Ponyard, Houndour, Reverse Holo Luxio, and a Rapid Strike Urshifu V, oh, Single Strike, excuse me. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it doesn't look like the centering is too bad there. All right, 2 more packs left. There's got to be a Tyranitar here. Or at least I'm hoping. All right, and Steel Energy, Sword and Shieldbert, Furo, Carnivine, Fomantis, Remoraid, Spearow, Parachuso, Cherubi, Lurantis, Reverse Holo, and a Conkeldurr. Alright, well, this might have been the last pack, but I do have 3 more packs. So, since the video is not too long, let's go ahead and pop these. Just to add to our chances of lucking into the Tyranitar. All right, let's do it. And Darkness Energy, Level Ball, Spupa, Glysaur, Houndour, Lickitung, Horsey, Mankey, Mawile, Urn of Vitality, and the Sanduscorch. And Water Energy, Gliscor, Bruno, Rapid Strike Style Mustard, Horsey, Mankey, Mawile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Cacturn Reverse Holo, and a Corviknight VMAX. All right. Nice pull. Nice pull. Let's look at the back there. Back looks actually very, very nice. All right. All right, 2 packs left. TTAR pack. It's got to be in here. Why would they put Tyranitar in the front of this pack if he's not inside? I think that's just false advertising. All right, Electric Energy, Seadra, Weeping Bell, Experience Share, Baltoy, Timber, Corfish, Cacnea, Mawile, Galarian Slowpoke Reverse Hollow, and a Lurantis. All right, last pack. Last chance for TTAR tonight. Come on, give us the magic. And Darkness Energy. Rapid Strike Squirrels. Cacturn. Rapid Strike Energy. Yamper. Glameow. Corfish. Scatterbug. Cubone. Doublade Reverse Hollow. And an Electivire. Not bad, not bad. We did get the Corviknight there. The Single Strike Urshifus V. Not bad at all. Mimikyu V. But still no TTAR. So, of course, the hunt continues. Thank you guys for spending your time watching with me. And until next time, peace.